Rusty tools aren't pretty, and while they may still work just fine, they'll begin to fail over time. If you want to get the most out of your tools, it's best to prevent rust when possible and treat it when it happens. Rust prevention. Ultimately, one of the best steps you can take is keeping your tools in a climate-controlled area. If your workshop tends to swing from cold to hot temperatures, your tools are likely to attract moisture and begin to rust. Consider placing a heater in your workshop or garage, as well as a dehumidifier or dehumidifying products. Using silica gel packs in your toolboxes, drawers, and cabinets will help curb moisture too. Keep your tools dust-free since dust attracts moisture, and moisture results in rust. And when cleaning your tools, be sure to always dry them completely. Using a rust inhibitor like WD-40 is a smart idea that can go a long way. Rust treatment. If you've already got rust forming on your tools, it's time to take action, and there are two simple methods you can follow to quickly remove rust. Method 1. Scour, scrape, and sand. Clean the rusty tool in soapy water to get rid of any dirt or grease. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Now choose an abrasive material you can scrub with. If you scrub well enough, you'll be able to remove light to moderate rust from your tools. A scouring pad, sandpaper, or steel wool are great options for scrubbing. If there are some hard to clean spots you just can't get to, move on to method number 2. Chemicals. Soaking your tools in oxalic or muriatic acid. Doing this will dissolve moderate rust issues quickly and effectively, but be sure to follow all safety protocols and work in a well-ventilated area. Wear rubber gloves, safety glasses, and long-sleeve clothing. Before you begin, clean the tool with dish detergent and water to remove dirt and grease. Mix 3 tablespoons of oxalic acid with 1 gallon of water, or mix 1 part muriatic acid to 4 parts water in a plastic container large enough to submerge the tool. Remember to always mix the acid into the water. Do not mix water into the acid. This is very important to avoid potential injury. Let the rusty tool soak anywhere from 20 minutes to 1 hour while the acid dissolves the rust. Give the tool a thorough rinse in a neutralizing solution of baking soda and water. Give it a quick scrape or scour and make sure you immediately dry it. Prevention is always easier and simpler than treatment, so taking proper care of your tools will help you get much more life from them. If you need to remove rust from your tools, try these methods and be sure to share before and after photos with us on social. We'd love to see you bringing new life to your tools. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. While you're at it, visit eReplacementParts.com.